What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. This is the first video on the new setup, you feel me? I got so much content, I got so much creativity coming for you guys, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. By the way, all the sounds that I'm using are available on astrosample.com is my new website. Go check it out, link in the description. And if you want to join Astro Sample, if you want your kits, everything, your melodies, whatever it is, if you want to join us, make sure to DM me on Instagram at @beats or send me a message through the email down below in the description. So let's just dive right into it. Ooh, I kind of like that sound. That's hard. And let's just lay down some chords. Let's just lay down some notes and see what we come up with. Kind of like the last part more. I like to just start my melody with like a random sound and then just go off of that. If you like struggle to come up with melodies, I suggest you just don't think. Just let the creativity come and experiment and just play some notes and then just let your ears guide you through making the melody type shit. Ooh, that was hard. I just record that in there. Hold on. Watch this. I got an idea for the bass. That was the one right there. I just added a kick in there. These sounds are from my drum kit. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Available on astrosample.com. Okay, we got a good base of the melody right now. What we're going to do is pitch it down. So select it, transpose, and let's just try maybe 2. And what I want to do right here is make this note right here slide to this one. So head over to Serum again and select these two and then just drag it up like this. She go crazy. can already hear the structuring. We got this kick pattern as well. What we do need to add as well is a bass, just for like the intro, just to make sure we add some atmosphere in there. So I'm going to copy over the same notes of the chords, and then let's pull up a bass. That bounce was too crazy. I wasn't ready for that one. Right here. Oh my days. And right here, what I'm going to do with the bridge is render it out and drop down the sample rate. Edit in audio picture. Right click. 1500. Resample. Accept. I got my racks up. Shit. Stacking my bands up. Shit. Yeah. I can move down the bands. Yeah. I don't know some of my bands. Yeah. She give up the dance. Yeah. Shawty be cutting up, shawty you put in the dance, none of that but in the dance, yeah, bow. Going in for a second. That's hard. I can definitely hear like SOFAYGO on this. I don't know why. It has like a chill vibe, but you can just rap and spit on this one. Like maybe some like opium type of vibes, but less electronic type shit. You feel me? But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. All the sounds that I'm using in this video are in the link in the description, available on astrosample.com. Make sure to go check that out. Also, I'm active on social media as well at Beats. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.